Blossoms, blossoms. A relationship kind of blossoms from them. Here, the word blossoms means to develop or grow into something special. Notice the following. 1. He has blossomed into a nice young man. 2. She really blossomed when she got to college. Cliché, cliché. It's a huge cliché. A cliché is an overused idea or saying that once was original but now is common. Notice the following. Working from a cafe is now so cliché. 2. The phrase, think outside the box, is now cliché. First of all, I just love the story. The phrase, first of all, is used to introduce a series of points. The speaker uses it to show there are multiple points which will come in order. Notice the following. 1. First of all, you are late. Second of all, you are not ready. Figure out. Figure out. This group of kids starts figuring it out. To figure out something means to learn and understand how something works or why it acts a certain way. Notice the following. 1. He is a strange person. I still have not figured him out. 2. She has me figured out. I can't fool her. Per se. Per se. They weren't star-crossed lovers per se. Here, per se means by itself or individually. Notice the following. 1. It was not his actions per se that made me mad. 2. They were not enemies per se, but they fought a lot. Terrorize. Terrorize. He takes his form as a clown and terrorizes this town. To terrorize means to cause fear or worry through intended actions. Notice the following. 1. Bad students love to terrorize new teachers. 2. A swarm of bees terrorized the town. Coming of age. Coming of age. It's kind of a coming-of-age tale. A coming-of-age tale would be a story about the experience of young people and how it affected them in life. Notice the following. 1. The book was a coming-of-age tale of two boys in the countryside. 2. Coming-of-age tales are great for young readers. Ruin. Ruin. I hope I didn't ruin it. When you ruin something, such as a movie, you give away the ending, so it is not so exciting. You can also say, spoil the ending. Notice the following. 1. Don't tell me the ending. I don't want you to ruin it for me. 2. Sometimes movie trailers spoil the movie and ruin it for people. Come up with. Come up with. People actually are coming up with ideas. When you come up with something, you think of an idea or solution. Notice the following. 1. Jack came up with a proposal for his boss. 2. My friend came up with a plan to find his dog. Hotel chains. Hotel chains. There are a lot of hotel chains. A hotel chain is when one company owns many hotels with the same name in different locations. Notice the following. 1. Marriott is a hotel chain with hotels in many countries. 2. You can actually trust the quality of a hotel chain.